Hi guys, it's Yianni from Yiannimize, and this video is a little update of what is happening in the new unit over there. You guys have been messaging me saying, what's going on, we want to see more. I posted a little bit on my Instagram, so this is for you.
So I'm in Yiannimize 2.0 or Yiannimize B-Tech, is that even a thing? Who knows? Anyway, so the guys are literally digging out the pits for our scissor lifts, and we've discovered some old lifts that used to be here when P&G Vauxhall used to own the building many moons ago, and they go down around about 2.5 meters deep.
Okay.
You can see how far it goes down. But we've just had to pull out the old lift, or part of that lift anyway, and we've had to drag it across the floor to get it out. But as you can see, we've actually cracked, or the guys have actually cracked the pit that they've been working on as well. So, yeah, it is what it is. It's all fixable, bit of concrete, bit of levelling. I'll leave it to my man over here. Happy days. Carry on. There you go.
Nicco! Right, give us some vinyl. Look at you, right? This is your career, son. See this here, yeah? This is what you're about. You got this, yeah? Oh, look at him!
It's like holding him like a trophy.
It's like I can see him.
Oh look, he is kissing and he's smiling.
So here are our resin samples to choose for the floor next door. So we had a little vote and we went here. Didn't want to go too light because the wall's going to be white in there. This would be a great contrast, but I think it's a bit too dark. So we've gone with just a light grey, so that's going to be the floor in there. Smooth. Flooring is going to be one of the last things to go in, so obviously there's so much to be done in there, and there's the amount of builders and people in there. We've got the camera people in today, alarm people in today, we've got air conditioning people, we've got the normal builders, sprinkler people are coming back. We haven't got our suspended ceiling people in yet to do the grid, so yeah, everyone's doing like first phase fitting, and then all I know is I'm doing this at the moment. It's just coming out my pocket like this. It'll soon be coming back, but for now I'm doing this. Gotta spend money to make money. Concrete time. So I'm gonna fill the 2 holes. And that's obviously where the ramps are gonna go, so that's what they've been digging out. Got a lovely big asphalt concrete company stuff. It's getting there, It's early in the morning and it is cold. Time to do the front shutter. So obviously they're going to drop that now. I've been told it's going to make a massive noise. So not too bad, not too bad. So shutter's going in. Always excited for the shutter. The front of the building looks amazing. And then obviously once we finish inside, we'll paint all the outside. And it will look nice, right? Yiannimize, the original Yiannimize, Yiannimize 2.0. So we're about 4 weeks in now. The majority of the guys are coming and done first fit. Gareth just turned up and he's going to do now the suspended ceiling, like the grid. So I'm really excited for that. You guys are going to speak to him in a minute. There's still loads and loads and loads to be done, but it's starting to take shape and I'm really excited.
Morning, I'm Gareth from GBS Interiors. So I saw Yianni's Snapchat and he was asking for some suspended ceiling contractors. and emailed the office, info@Yiannimize, told him a bit about myself. Bert responded, said perfect, can you come up, have a look. I think within 3 days, we discussed what was needed, price went across, Yianni was happy, and 2 weeks later, we're here. 3 days after we started, we're completed, 100%. Job's a good one.
So the first lights have just been put up. Wow, we're not sure if that's too many. What we're going to do, we're going to do all 3 bays initially and then decide if it's too much, then we'll cut them down. Matt, you ready? Let there be light.